I just grab that buffalo ball and I eat it. And it's like heaven. All this flavor, this milk comes running down.
Musica di terza classe in partenza per Milano. C'è una musica che batte.
I'm off to Caserta, just outside Naples, to try some of the local specialty, buffalo mozzarella. It's made from 100% water buffalo milk. It's creamier, milkier, and has a slightly sour note compared to cow's milk mozzarella. I'm meeting up with Rosanna Marziale, a local chef who I wouldn't say loves mozzarella di bufala, but rather is obsessed with it. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Rosanna says, David, the first thing we have to do is eat. You have to try this buffalo mozzarella right when it's made.
Guarda qua, guarda.
So this is all buffalo mozzarella.
Tutti i sorrisi, guarda, tutti I sorrisi di latte.
Rosanna says it looks like the buffalo mozzarella is smiling. After I eat this, I'll be smiling. I have no shame. I just grab that buffalo ball and I eat it. And it's like heaven. All this flavor, this milk comes running down. There's a saying in these parts. You gotta eat buffalo mozzarella where it's all over your face, it's dripping and it's really messy. These balls are full of so much milk. It's kind of like eating and drinking at the same time. There's so much cream and milk and, yeah.
Tu lo stai sprecando tutto questo latte.
It's true. She goes, you're wasting it.
Sai che io...
After eating a couple of mozzarella balls, we go into the back. They're in the process of making it. Mozzarella comes from the act of mozzare, which means to pull the cheese into little balls. These guys want me to try. I'm just making a disaster here. Obviously, this is the smiley face that these guys do. Our mozzarella looks like it's crying. We're ruining all the mozzarella. I'm an expert more at eating.
Perché deve essere grande la figura.
So these guys want me to do the braid, and I'm like, does it look like I have hair? Come on, how am I gonna know how to do that? We head off to Rosanna's restaurant, Le Colone. Now, Rosanna has written 2 cookbooks and has over 200 recipes where the star ingredient is this buffalo mozzarella. Rosanna shows me her deep-fried buffalo mozzarella that's stuffed with tagliolini. This is one of Rosanna's trademark recipes, and she was saying because we have 3 fantastic elements people love. You have mozzarella, you have tagliolini pasta in the middle, and then it becomes nice and golden fried. Okay.
Una mozzarella.
So mozzarella.
E la mettiamo nel microonde.
Okay, so you put the mozzarella in the microwave.
Sì.
Let me get this straight. You get the fresh mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella.
And you put it in the microwave. Può essere.
E può essere sì che può essere.
Michelin star.
Michelin star.
In done. Everything's possible. So you save the milk.
Sì.
Because this is all goodness that you can use for other recipes.
Per tutte le ricette, per tante ricette.
So you've just melted the mozzarella just to kind of flatten it out. So it gets nice and hot so it can be reattached. So you're making it kind of into a little ball. Look at that. And that's amazing because it's like the original shape of the mozzarella. È come
prima.
Esatto, just like before we started. So you just want to add it to a cold water bath so the mozzarella kind of solidifies. And now you're going to flour it.
E poi?
So now uova, egg wash. So because the mozzarella has lots of milk and lots of cream, you want to do this crushed 3 times. This whole process of flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. I just asked Rosanna, I said, so how did you come up with these recipes? Did you wake up one morning? She says, no. The trick is I go on diets. And then when I'm starving, I come up with these ideas, these combinations. She goes, that's what happens. Go on a diet, and then you come up with a little bit of creativity. First, Rosanna ladles in some sweet pea sauce, and then she adds a brush of reduced balsamic with this gorgeous tomato skin, and she places it right on the balsamic. And then she finishes it with her roasted tomato sauce. And that becomes a nice contrasting sauce with the sweet pea sauce. And then she adds the golden mozzarella ball right on top. Non voglio rovinare questa cosa di arte. This is a tough job. It's a tough job, Rosanna. Chi cazzo? Chi cazzo?